Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update of the Google Sheet. So initially there was no control for which days you want to have off. Yeah, I think we need to change the color scheme as well. Okay, so just modified the conditional formatting as well. So now whenever there will be an off day, you will see a gray bar. So this will also include those which are off days mentioned in here. Okay, let me show you. So if I'll go back to the 2022 and let's run this. You can see Mondays and Tuesdays are off now. High zero. And this Saturday is off as well because the first of the 2022, 1st January of the 2022 is also a off day. So the off day will also be a gray day. Okay. All right. So I've just made the modification so that the color scheme will change only for the with the off days. So whatever the off day is it an off day selected from here or any added date? So here you can see now. Let me change it to maybe 2024 and run it one more time. So in our case, Monday and Tuesdays are off days. Let me check 2025. So for 2025, you can see Mondays and Tuesdays are off. Rest of the days are the on days where you can see the drop down and then you can always select the whatever the available options are there. But if you will go to the 2022 and you will run the system, there is an off day on the 1st of the January. So this will turn gray as well and there will be no drop down. So now I can hide these. And this is how this will work. Now let me make some changes. So in case you think there there is another store, you can you can always change the name of that. And you decide, okay, Sundays and Thursdays are off on those stores. So you just need to unselect those. So these are not the working days, these are off days. And then come back in here and click this button. Uh, Keep in mind that you should do this only once in the beginning of the year, because this is going to clear everything, all the entries in here, and then change the drop down. So now you can see Saturday, Sundays. So these are off days maybe because of the force date. Let me change it to 2026 and run. Just to avoid that we are, the dates off dates are not included. Okay, now Thursdays and Sundays are off days. You can see Thursdays, Sundays are off. Here we have selected Sundays and Thursdays. If I'll okay say Monday is also off. I'm just showing the functionality. So what it will do, it will clear everything, all the entries from here, and now you can see Thursdays, Sundays, and Mondays are off days now. So this is how you can dynamically select the off days, or you can have all the days working days. So all the days are working days, except still this will exclude the dates which you have added. Like on 2022, there is a date on the Saturday, Sunday. Though we have marked all days are working days, but we have added some dates which are off days, holidays maybe. So in those cases, you can see the holidays will also be will only be there because we haven't marked any official off day for the week. So these are all the official off days which you have added the dates in. All right, so that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you.